Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan. In this video, I will walk you through on how to build a machine learning model using Python programming language in Jupyter Notebook, and of course with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an open AI platform that was launched in November 2022. So far, this is the most complete tutorial that I have ever made to help everyone, an aspiring data scientist and data analyst, to understand the process, the requirements, and other important considerations in building a machine learning model. This is the Python script which I created to train and to test the data sets. This will benefit everyone, even if you don't have any training, any knowledge about statistics, about data science, about analytics, about Python programming language, because as I've said, I'll be using and I'll be going to explain and illustrate how ChatGPT will be able to help me out in doing this machine learning model. Alright, so are you not wondering how YouTube or Google is calculating the revenue of a content creators? Alright, so this involves a lot of variables. This involves a machine learning model. This is, a good model because they were able to optimize every content, and based on the optimized content, they were able to calculate the amount of revenue that they provide to each of the content creator. All right, so go back to our example. Go back to this video. Okay, so the goal of this exercise is to build a model that could predict the price of a car based on the mileage and of course based on the years or age of the cars. So we will be going to build a model. So if the mileage increases, will the price drops? Okay, or will the age increases, is the price of a car drops? Okay, so take note that I am only going to use two independent variables in this exercise. Okay, so the mileage and the years of a car. All right, so there you go. I'll be going to explain this step by step. Okay, so from the locating your current working directory, changing working directory, of course, loading your data set into Jupyter Notebook, and then performing the machine learning model. Okay, so what are the libraries that you need to install in Jupyter Notebook? And of course, the other requirements of the model. All right, so there you go. This is my personal website, and as you can see, I have integrated Facebook Messenger in order for me to answer questions. You can just click the messenger if you have some questions, and I will be glad to answer all of your questions. Alright? So also, I will be going to provide you a dummy data so you can try it on your own to learn the actual process in building a machine learning model. Just visit this website and read this article. Alright, so this is the complete tutorial which I wrote for the benefits of everyone. Okay, so let's proceed, and I'll be going to discuss each part. Okay, training and testing data set is required in building a machine learning model. Python and ChatGPT has full potential advantage. So this is the full potential. Okay, so ChatGPT capabilities. Okay, write Python, explain code, optimize code, and so on and so forth. Okay, so ChatGPT will not and can never replace a human. So this is your opportunity to learn and to defeat the the prevalence of the release of the ChatGPT and other AI application. As I've said, ChatGPT will not and can never replace human. How ChatGPT works, okay? So, training and testing data sets using Python and ChatGPT. So these are the topics covered in this article. Okay, so changing Python program working directory, loading datasets into Jupyter Notebook, training and testing dataset in building a machine learning model. Okay, so in this case, I'll be going to help you out how to build a machine learning model from the scratch. So as you can see, my file was previously stored in my C drive, and I'll be going to explain and demonstrate how you can actually change your working directory from C drive to your hard drive, which in my case, I'll be transferring it to drive E. Okay, so this is the procedure that was provided by ChatGPT, and of course I executed the Python. I executed the command provided by ChatGPT in Python. So this is, and of course the summary of the findings. What's the difference between ChatGPT and Python programming language? Okay, so using Python, loading dataset, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, so at the end of this video, all you need to do is to click this image so you can be redirected to the actual datasets, to the dummy datasets which you can work on. All right, so this is the link of the tutorial. Okay, go to the description of this video so you can read the full and complete tutorial. Thank you.